Here's how to fix YouTube lagging and stuttering in your browser. Open Chrome and click the three dots in the top right. Go to Settings, then System. Find Use Graphics Acceleration when available and toggle it off. Click Relaunch. Chrome will restart and reopen YouTube. This disables hardware acceleration, which causes video stuttering on certain GPU and driver combinations and is the most effective single fix for this issue. If the stuttering continues, try these additional steps. Clear your browser cache. Go to Privacy and Security, then Delete Browsing Data. Check Cached Images and Files, set All Time, and click Delete. A bloated cache can cause playback issues that look like connection problems but are not. Also, try lowering the video quality manually by clicking the Settings icon on the YouTube player, going to Quality, and dropping it one level. Sometimes your connection cannot sustain the auto-selected quality consistently. If the problem only happens in one browser, try a different one entirely. Firefox and Edge often handle YouTube playback differently, and the issue may be Chrome-specific. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button for more straight-to-the-point tutorials on step-by-click.